Still on our class, on our basic, and the class we'll be having today, I'll be naming it Basic Laws for Equation. So I'll be talking about the fundamentals of equation, why we solve equation, and the concept. So in this class, we are just going to be knowing why and the reason why we solve equation, and getting those concepts will make it easy for us, so that when we start the main class ahead, those things won't be like something difficult. Now, first of all, why do we solve equation? What is the subject or the concept of equation? Equation means literally equating two things together. And in mathematics, to equate two things together, it is shown by a sign called equality sign, right? So if I say A is equal to B, it means A is the same thing as B. Now, if I have two weights here, we will do that in physics under equilibrium of force. Now, for this beam to be balanced, it means that the weight here A must be equal to the weight at this point B, right? So if we have a problem, if they tell you that the cup of rice you cook, or the cup of rice you are eating is 5 cup, right? And it's equal to the rice you shared to 5 children. Okay, let's say 5 plates. So it means that this 5 and this 5 are equal. Now, what if you don't know the number of rice, or you don't know the number of cup of rice? What will happen? We denote it by an alphabet called X. Or you can use any alphabet. You can use A or B. So why we denote it by an alphabet is because we don't know the value that is there, right? So we have to denote it by an alphabet, so that we can be able to get the value and solve for it. Okay, now look at this problem very carefully. Let us know. If 5, right, is equal to 5, which means the left hand side and the right hand side are equal, right? Okay, now if I have two equal numbers, let us call this place 5, and at this point I know that there must be something that will be added to 3, but I don't know the number. So I know that when a number is added to 3, it will give me 5. So I don't know the number. What will I do? I have to represent the number by what? X, right? So this is the foundation of equation, and if we look at it now, it looks like an equation. So when I solve for X, then I get the number. Is it easy? Very easy. Now if we take this weight as an example, and at this point we have 10 here. At this point, maybe there is 2, right? So can 2 be equal to 10? No. What do? We have to add something to 2 to be equal. And what do we add to 2 to be equal? In the terms of equation, we assume that we don't know the number to add to 2 to make it equal to 10. So we represent it with s, which means that 2 plus s is equal to 10. So this is the basic concept of equation, why we represent equation by letters, why we represent number by letters, right? So in the next class, we'll be talking about the basic foundation of solving equation. So thank you very much. God bless you. Make sure you invite your friends and loved ones.